Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration of our event registration and attendance system. This system is designed to streamline event management from initial setup to attendance tracking. Today, we'll focus on a key part of the system, the event form, which empowers event organizers to manage all their events. As you can see, when you first launch the application, you are presented with a login screen. This ensures that only authorized users can access the system's functionalities. If you're a new user, you would first need to register your account. For the purpose of this demo, I'll log in with an existing organizer account. Alright, once we logged in, we are brought to the event form. This is the core interface for event organizers to handle various aspects of their events. You can see it's quite straightforward with fields for event name and event date, and a set of intuitive add, update, delete, and view. Let's look at the add function. This allows us to create a brand new event in our system. I'll simply enter an event name and a date. For example, let's create Techno Days 2025 and set the date to May 20. Now, I'll click the add button. And there we go. You can see the success message confirming our event has been added. This action effectively inserts a new record into our database. Behind the scenes, when I click add, the system called function similar to this one, add event. This function takes the event name and date from the form fields, performs any necessary validation like checking if the fields are empty, and then passes this data to our event service, which handles the actual database insertion. It ensures the data is stored correctly, making the event available for future management. Next, let's explore the view function. This is incredibly useful for seeing all the events currently stored in our system. When I click view, it will populate the list below, allowing us to see what events we've already created, including the Techno Days 2025 we just added. As you can see, our Techno Days 2025 is listed alongside any other existing events. This view capability is crucial for organizers to get an overview and select events for further actions like updating or deleting. The view functionality calls a function like view event. This function, in turn, queries our database to retrieve all existing event records. It then populates these records into the appropriate UI component, such as this list or a dropdown, making the data visible and selectable for the user. Now, let's say we need to make a change to an event. That's where the update function comes in handy. First, I'll select the event I want to modify from our list. Let's select Techno Days 2025. Now, I'll click the update button. Perfect. The event has been updated. If you look at the bottom, you'll see the date has changed for Techno Days 2025. The update operation is managed by update event. This function identifies the select event, takes the modified data from the input fields, and then send it to our event service to update the corresponding record in the database. It ensures data consistency, allows for dynamic event management. If an event is cancelled or no longer needed, we can use the delete function. I'll select Techno Days 2025 again, and then click delete. The event has been successfully removed from our system. If I view the list now, Techno Days 2025 is no longer there. For the delete action, we have a function like delete event. This function takes the selected event identifier and instructs the event service to remove the specific record from the database. It's a critical function for maintaining a clean and accurate event registry. And that concludes our walkthrough of the event form. This form provides a robust and user-friendly way for event organizers to manage all their events, from creation to deletion, ensuring that the event data is always up to date and accessible. This capability is fundamental to the overall efficiency of our event registration and attendance system. Thank you for watching.